Hi guys, today we're going to make momo soup with the mushroom momos from SteamUp. So let's get started. First things first, we're going to start steaming the momos. You can do it the way I'm doing it here over a hot boiling water pan. Then we're going to add a lid on top of it and wait for it to cook. While this happens, let's get started with the soup. Here I have finely cut mushrooms, some chopped garlic, light soy sauce, and some spring onions, and also a huge bowl of vegetable broth. So let's get started. First, I'm going to add some extra virgin olive oil to a heated pan. To this, I'm adding the finely chopped garlic. Now I'm going to stir it a little bit and wait for it to turn slightly brown. To this, I'm adding the finely chopped mushrooms as well, and we know that the mushrooms are perfectly cooked when they've reduced in size. While the mushroom and the garlic cooks, I'm going to add some salt to taste. After that, we're going to add the star of the recipe, light soy sauce. If you don't have this, it's perfectly okay to cook with the regular soy sauce, but for the authentic feels, I prefer the light one. In goes the vegetable broth that's going to give it the best flavor possible. We're going to wait for it to simmer and then add some spring onions on top. While our soup is getting ready, we're going to check on the momos. They look perfectly well done, and that's why we're going to add them to the soup. We know that the momos are perfectly well cooked when they start to swell a bit, and that's when you know your soup is ready. Now let's get to the best part of the recipe, serving it. That's my favorite thing to do because you get to garnish it the way you want with some spring onions, maybe some pepper, whatever suits your taste. These mushroom momos from SteamUp taste good anyways, but this warm bowl of soup makes it perfect for a rainy weather. Thank you for watching. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Stay tuned.